So welcome back again, guys. This is part 2 of the video where I've just gone into more detail to pull out what's in the box over here. It's kind of exciting. It's a bit windy day today, you can see. Beautiful clear skies up here in Australia, Western Australia in Perth. Yeah, so what we got? We've got a t-shirt. Double extra large. That's good, that's going to fit me. We've got a radio that comes with the model. You have some stickers up here, some instruction manuals, that's great. I've got the charger. I didn't opt for the battery because it's a bit hard to ship the battery, and when you ship the battery it's a bit hard. That's Max there smelling the crane. Let's go further. We've got some more items like tools up here, lots of accessories, load sharing pads for the outriggers up here, some pins. The crane's manufactured by Cut Hobby, as you can see. Wow, they've sent oil, hydraulic oil, lots of small accessories down the track. I'm just going to use that. They give you a little miniature man to go with it. Lots of goodies. Oh, look at that. That's the hook block. Let me just bring that in the light. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. We'll go into the details of the hook block also. Lots of good stuff in here. Oh, they've got a rigging strap. Wow, that's pretty good to provide that for lifting. Okay, you got a sheave up here. What else do we have? All kinds of small auxiliary bits. Primary hook. What else? Lots of screws, nuts, bolts, washers, and again lots of small bits over here. Now just want to pull this out to show you. I mean, this boom, look at the quality, amazing quality. You can see the gloss and the shine on it, pretty good finish. Even the detail on the welds is very impressive. You know, you can see the finish is just unbelievable. Yes, you do pay a lot for the screen and it's not cheap, but then you can actually see value for your money, because if you're paying for something and if you're getting what you paid for, I think it's justified. That's the way I see it. There's another boom section. This is the main head boom. That's the tail boom there. So let's put that over here. Right, I'm gonna see. Okay, we got some oil here. Take this foam out. Okay, so there is a crate in here, as you can see. They put tabs up here. I'll have to open this crate, and I guess there's counterweights at the bottom, completely packed. As you can see, it's dual. There's two pieces up here. So that's pretty much where we are at, guys, on this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.